Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Command Prompt. Press Windows plus R, type CMD, Enter, or use Run as administrator when you need elevated rights. Once done, create a folder. mkdir my project and CD into it. This organizes files so commands act locally. Make sure to pick an editor. Notepad is immediate, VS Code for more features. You need a simple file to run, so create main script now. Explain why. Keeping files in one folder avoids path confusion and permission issues. You now write and execute code. If using batch, Notepad main. Batworks. If Python, code main. Py or Python mven first. Once done writing a few lines, test incrementally, run echo statements, then run the script so errors appear in context. Make sure to adjust path or environment variables if commands aren't found. Setx path adds persistence. You'll also learn to redirect output and capture exit codes, so you can react to failures within scripts gracefully. You finish by cleaning up. Add comments, implement logging with log file. TXD, and use exit codes so other systems know success or failure. Once done, test full flow end-to-end and make sure to remove hard-coded paths. Use relative paths for portability. If something goes wrong, run the script step by step and add pause and echo lines to reveal values. One key troubleshooting tip. Run the failing command manually in CMD to see the exact error message and verify environment variables versus expected values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.